Menteri Ketenat Nongialehkai ubah Syakliar Wajri dan kesngi ulah kentok ba Ketenat Nongialehkai bat ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association kila pelait pajba ya ka lead program. Ha ka ba khandai ngut ki Nongialehkai kila Shah Jied ban Iashim Bynta ha ka Jingai Jinghikai ban penkre ban Iakhun ha ki Lympung Nongialehkai Shabari bat kumju ru ak Olympics. Menteri lapan pau bakini ki Nongialehkai ki bala Shah pentebit ha ki laisnem kin salak ban Iakhun ha ki Lympung Shabari bat wat ha ka Olympics. Na pedang kini ki khandai ngut ki Nongialehkai nrengut ki kentup ha ka athletics arngut ha ka weightlifting bat iway ha ka karate bat kini baro ki day na ki district repair na ka jela.
So this program was to test all these athletes and to further send them for better training, you can say. So from these 14,500, we've selected 200, out of which some of them have dropped out, out of which 172 were selected, and after further training and further this thing, so we've selected nine athletes. So these 9 athletes will now be trained for a period of 3 years, where from the government side, so in the course of 3 years, we're hoping that these 9 athletes after this training can represent our state on international level as well and even Olympics.
Ka Federation of Rewar Mingi Local Dorbar kala lej banyak